Hello guys, this is Jivita. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the program in Codechef that is Pawri. I'm going to explain you now. So see this question for a while. So according to this question, chef has been inspired by the Pawri. So he need to replace party with the Pawri wherever he encountered the substring party in the given string. You need to replace it with a party. It is a simple string related program. So I will just explain you first what is this code. See, observe this sample input and output. Here it is part and it remained the same as part, right? So here also again party. Party I is remained same and remaining is converted to party. Yes. And here also same in the given long string. Here the party is replaced with Pawri, right? Okay. Now I will explain you how the code works. Let's enter into it. Okay. So let us just take a string. Let me take a string of naming. My name is party. My party name is party. Okay. That sounds funny. So yeah. The party name is party. Let us take this string. So first of all, what I have to do is I have to consider a string and I have to consider whether I am encountering with the substring party. If I am encountering this substring, I need to convert it into Pawri. So that means I have to replace that substring into Pawri. So here, what will be the output? You are thinking that it will be changed to my Pawri name is Pawri, right? So this will be the new string. Okay. So how can we do this? Let me just explain you. So let us see this word party. Word party is of length 5, and then I have to, if it is as this is of 5 in length, I have to consider from the index of I to I plus 5, right? You can use a slicing operator in Python I to I plus 5, and this substring from the index I to I plus 5 when it is equals to Pawri, sorry, party, then I have to replace that word with that substring with Pawri. Okay, I hope you understand. After replacing it, I can just hop to the I plus 6th element. That I plus 6th element, I can start comparing. If for suppose if it is not equals to party, that means from I to I plus 5 is not equals to party, then I am going to replace as the same as that of the ith index character, right? I will just append the ith index character. So that means, and also there is another condition we have to consider. For suppose in this example, I am checking this party. Okay, let us take a string ptr. So here I am checking from pth index here to whether I plus 5 means ptart is checked whether it is equals to party. As it is not equal, then I will append this character p. Then again I am checking tarty whether it is equals to party. It's not equals to party, so I will just append that character to just t. Then again I have to compare ARTY to fifth element is missing here. Yes, there should be some element which is missing. Okay. So here if this element from ARTY, then what is the fifth element? So we cannot compare ARTY to unknown element. It will give you an error, index out of range, out of bounds error. So I have to stop comparing. That means slicing operator should be used only up to the fifth element from the last. That means I have to stop up to here only, which is of index, which is of index length of sorry length of given string, which is str1 minus 5. Have to stop up to here only. Okay. So these are the conditions we have to consider to solve this program. I hope you got it. Now let's go into the. So according to the given problem, we have to consider. I'll minimize this so that you can keep up. So, so I have to consider the t-test cases. Now t is equals to int input and from for underscore in range of t, I will take the inputs mean is equals to int. Then after taking this as the input, I can let us consider n as the length of the given string mean, so that again and again we need not to use len of short. N. Now let us take a new mean which we have to create and initialize it to an empty string. Then I'm considering the starting index as 0. I'm taking the while loop here so that it will be good for us, easy. So for the iteration, for this iteration, as I have told you earlier, I have to consider a mean from ith index to I plus 5 since. So I'm using the slicing operator I plus 5, whether this is equals to the substring party. Then and also I have to stop this slicing when I is less than or equals to. Okay, where I should be less than or equals to length of the given string minus 5, that is n minus 5. And considering these conditions, that means the given substring is a party, then the new substring, just new mean, be incremented to Pawri. Also, I have to increment, I need not to check. After I encountered the party, I can go to the I plus fifth element. Yes, I can check from the next instead of ARTY to something. I can just skip this party, then go to the next character, right? That means I plus 5 plus equals to. Okay. Else, if I am not encountering that substring, I just increment whatever the character have. So here, new mean plus equals to mean of I, and I will be incremented to 1. Let us print this output, new mean, check whether it is correct. Yes, successfully executed. Let's just submit this code. Hooray, we got the correct answer. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.